Are you tired of doing endless crunches and still not seeing the abs you want? Getting abs has always been a mystery for many of us. We think it requires hours at the gym, strict diets, or complex exercises that are hard to follow. But I'm here to tell you that's not entirely true. I've seen so many people struggle with this, thinking they need to be a fitness enthusiast or have a personal trainer to achieve their goals. The truth is, you can get amazing abs right at home with simple exercises. One of the biggest misconceptions is that you need to spend hours sweating at the gym to get abs. But the reality is, it's not about the time you spend working out, but the consistency and effectiveness of your routine. Another misconception is that you need to follow a super strict diet to see results. While diet plays a role, it's not as complicated as you might think. You can still enjoy your favorite foods while making a few simple adjustments. Many people also think that getting abs requires a lot of complicated equipment or machinery, but I'm here to tell you that's not the case. You can get amazing results with just a few simple exercises that you can do right at home, no gym membership required. The key is to focus on exercises that target your core muscles and to do them consistently. Let's get to the good stuff. Over the next 30 days, you'll be following a simple 4-day-per-week workout plan that targets your core muscles. Number 1. Crunches. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground, curling up towards your knees. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Number 2. Planks. Start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat for 3 sets. Number 3. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your arms extended overhead and raise your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. To make this plan even more effective, here's a sample daily routine you can follow. Wake up 30 minutes earlier each day and do your workout on an empty stomach. Focus on eating lean proteins, vegetables, and whole grains for your meals. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress and having fun. So, what are you waiting for? Start your 30-day journey to six-pack abs today. Comment below with your progress, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness and calisthenics tips and transformation videos.